Saturn's tilt, Hyperion, and rings. A violent history revealed Saturn's unusual 26.7-degree axial tilt, the chaotic orbit of its moon Hyperion, and the youthfulness of its iconic rings may all stem from a dramatic collision between two of its moons roughly 400 million years ago. New research suggests that a massive impact between a now-destroyed moon and Titan, Saturn's largest satellite, could have reshaped the entire system. The case for a lost moon for decades, astronomers noted that Saturn and Neptune exhibited a curious synchronization in their wobbles, a phenomenon known as spin-orbit resonance. However, data from NASA's Cassini mission revealed Saturn was slightly out of step with Neptune, suggesting a recent disruption in the outer Saturn system. Planetary scientist Madhya Cook of the SETI Institute proposes this disruption was a two-part event. First, a collision between Titan and a former moon, dubbed Proto-Hyperion, and second, a cascading series of inter-moon collisions that ultimately formed Saturn's rings. The impact with Titan would not only explain Saturn's axial tilt, but also the formation of Hyperion itself, a strangely porous and irregularly shaped satellite. Simulations show that the collision would have left Titan in a more eccentric orbit, setting off a chain reaction that destabilized Saturn's inner moons. The ring's origins. A new perspective previous theories, led by Jack Wisdom of MIT, posited that a lost moon named Chrysalis was shredded to create Saturn's rings, which are surprisingly young, estimated to be around 150 million years old. Cook's model offers an alternative. The Titan-Hyperion collision might have triggered the destruction of other inner moons, creating the rings through multiple impacts rather than a single event. The key difference lies in the proposed sequence of events. Cook's model suggests Hyperion's formation is a more direct consequence of the collision than the rings, while Wisdom's theory prioritizes the rings' creation as the primary event. Remaining questions and future research, while Cook's scenario explains Hyperion's orbital characteristics. It raises questions about the age of Saturn's inner moons, particularly Mimas, which shows evidence of long-term cratering. Wisdom argues that the proposed timeline would require all inner moons to be younger than 400 million years, a claim that contradicts existing data. Both teams agree that more detailed simulations are needed to determine the most plausible explanation. The Saturn system may have been even more unstable than previously thought, with multiple lost moons and a far more violent history than once imagined. The exact sequence of events remains uncertain, but the evidence increasingly points to a chaotic past shaped by catastrophic collisions. The Saturn system's complex history underscores the prevalence of instability in planetary environments. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for interpreting the evolution of other solar systems and assessing the potential for similar disruptions elsewhere in the universe.